Okay, now, this is called Why Is There Brown Stains in My Toilet? And I know a lot of you are all laughing and saying, duh, why would there be? But there is legitimate cases of brown stains in toilets. And if you want to take a look, right now we have like a black, gray sort of stain in the toilet here. Now, yes, I know what causes brown stains, but what else causes brown stains is iron, is calcium, is sulfur. These contaminants can be in your water supply. So if you're on a city water supply, most likely it's going to be calcium. Calcium actually, as a water droplet, actually has rock on it. As it passes by the sheen of the toilet, it erodes that sheen and it opens up the porcelain so that staining can occur. So that's why it's so important to get the rock off the water droplet. Because again, the rock is literally etching the sheen on the side of the porcelain and then exposing the porcelain, which is porous, to the calcium and the grayness of calcium in the water and or manganese. If you're on well water, and some cities are actually on well water, there's iron and iron bacteria, and there could be sulfur in the water. That's when those organics are attached to the water droplet, and as they pass by the sheen, again, they're staining either the sheen or they're getting into the porcelain. So it's very, very important for you guys to recognize what can cause brown stains other than what you and I know into your toilet and what you can do to get rid of it. If you do have iron or sulfur, some of the solutions would be chlorine injection, hydrogen peroxide injection, or using a filter to get that out of the whole house. If you're on city water, most likely you're going to need a water softener, and that's to actually pull the rock off of the water. If you need any help with that, give us a call at Angel Water, 847-382-7800, or you can visit us on the web. Have a great day.